Today we learn how to make a thread. This is the water tap. Now we'll sketch the thread for this side. Just you will go to this picture and click whole wizard. Just click thread and choose this. In this side thread selection, just click the thread selection. This is our selection point. Just click. Now it is selected. Just go to this will be 0 degree and select the end condition. It will be blind and distance, keep this distance 20. Just we will keep 20. Now see, distance set the 20, then it will be by default 60, and go to type. Just choose metric type, metric die, inch type. You can choose many, there are many options you can choose. Just we will choose the metric type. And I will choose this 30 into M30 into 3.5. There are many size. You will choose any size which you are needed. Just there are many size. Okay, now I will choose M30 into 3.5. okay, it will by default. And just thread method, there are two methods. One is cut thread and two is extrude thread. Just I will choose cut thread. You can choose when you will use. Sometimes you can use extrude thread. Now see, it is extrude thread. Okay, and you can choose this cut thread. Now see, now we'll choose extrude thread. Yes, and go to this degree will be 0 and select thread option, right hand thread. It will choose right hand thread, and or free view operation option, just shaded free view. Okay, select this and now select OK. Now our thread is making. Now see, our thread is make. See, there are in this side you should this finish with this face, so you can choose. Just we will go to this fillet, click fillet and choose this corner size fillet and choose. Just select this, make it 5, and select this. Now see and click OK. Just wait. Okay, it is making. Yes, now see, our thread is created. Okay, thank you for watching. If you want to know new design and new projects, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.